Okay, here we are rehanding and reversing the thumb press levers for a 9148. Okay, so to rehand, I'm going to take the cover off. To rehand the latch, we remove the stop bar lever and the cylinder latch retractor lever. Pop the latch out just like so, and flip it over just like so, and slide it back in. Grab that spring, push it down. Sorry, I'm blocking the camera here, but I'm grabbing that spring, compressing it, dropping it down, and lining it up just like that. So the tail of the latch bolt is back, and the washer with the spring is in front of this this guide. Okay, I'm going to put that cylinder latch retractor lever back in, and I got to push the latch back just so I can fit that in place. I'm going to put the stop lever back in right there. You can see that stop lever gets hit by the thumb turn hub to engage or disengage the stop when the bolt is stalled. So now we have to change the thumb press levers. So I'm going to pull out this spring just like that. I'm going to pull out this bushing just like that. This is a spacer that holds the thumb press levers down, and you can see this is handed for right hand. And you can see the upper thumb press lever has this tab that engages with the stop, and the lower thumb press lever, the tab's been chopped off. So you can see the difference here. Now I'm going to show you the replacements. Upper and lower in the same order. We've got in my right hand the originals, and in my left hand the left hand thumb press levers. So you can see that they're opposites in terms of the modification, but they're the same parts, just modified opposite. So these would get in the factory, they'll get some lithium-based grease or petroleum-based grease, so that they don't have friction. They'll go in place just like so. That bushing will go back on just like that. And some of the old locks have a bushing with a spacer plate in there. You shouldn't use that if you're doing modifications with the new parts. So use the new bushing if you need to. And this spring gets dropped in like so with the tab on the outside. And I'm going to grab that tab, fold it over just like so, and push it down the rest of the way. Now everything's flush with the cover. I'm going to put the cover on just like this. I'm going to line it up with the latch retractor lever pin, the stop, and lastly I'll pull the hub down into place. And you heard that snap. Everything is now seated and lined up properly, and I'll put the 5 case cover screws back on. Depending on back set, for a narrower back set you may have less than 5.